We are given the graph of f, and we are asked to evaluate several limits and the asymptotes of the function. So let's take a look at part A. So we are looking for the limit as x approaches to infinity, and then we see that as x values get bigger and bigger, y values are approaching to 4. So we see that the limit here is 4. Next one, we're looking for the limit as x approaches to negative infinity. In this case, we're going to look at the far left side of the graph. And we see that as x values are getting smaller and smaller, y values are approaching to 0. So the limit here is 0. Next one, we're looking for the limit as x approaches to 2. On one side of 2, the left side of 2, y values are approaching to infinity. On the right side of 2, y values are approaching to negative infinity. Since 2 sides doesn't match, we put does not exist for this limit. Okay. Next one, we're looking for the limit as x approaches to negative 2. So negative 2 is here. On the left side of negative 2, y values are approaching to negative infinity. On the positive side of 2, y values are also approaching to negative infinity. So we will put negative infinity for this limit. We should also note that this limit is a form of does not exist. Okay. So finally, we're looking for the asymptotes. Let's take a look at the horizontal asymptotes first. So we can have at most 2 horizontal asymptotes on the right side and the left side. On the right side, I see that y values are approaching to 4, just like it is supported by the fact that the limit as x goes to infinity is 4. So we have horizontal asymptote at 4, so that's y equals to 4. And then on the left side, so this is the right-hand side, by the way. On the left side, y values are approaching to 0, so we have y equals to 0 on the left-hand side as a horizontal asymptote. Let's take a look at vertical asymptotes. We see that y values are approaching to negative infinity as we approach to negative 2. So we have a vertical asymptote at negative 2. And also we have a vertical asymptote at 2 because the limit on the left is positive infinity and limit on the right is negative infinity. So we have another vertical asymptote here.